Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject Automotive Electronics, unit number 5, chassis and the safety system in cars. Okay. So last class we discussed with the suspension system. Now we are going to see about the climate control in cars, because nowadays most of the car, 90% of the car with the air conditioning system. Okay, so we need a main part is climate control in the car. So like that we are going to discuss in this model. So climate control is a more sophisticated form of air conditioning which allows the temperature of the car interior to be accurately controlled. Users can set the required temperature and the system automatically adjusts the speed and amount of cold air introduced to the cabin. The automatic climate control system provides electronic regulation of the air temperature, airflow rate, and air distribution. Some systems provides the defroster nozzles for the windscreen and the side windows to eliminate the fogging effect. So nowadays, budget cars also offer an automatic air conditioner. Okay, the automatic climate control system also measure the quality of the cabin air through various sensors. Some provide a separate climate control ECM to control various sensor or actuators such as cabin air quality sensor and the humidity sensor. The drivers and the front passengers can control the temperature separately for themselves. You can also precisely adjust the temperature level, direction, and the intensity of the airflow through a touch screen. So this is the climate control module having the different module, different conditions that is different unit available in the climate control system. So that is automatic climate control is the ability to monitor the influence the temperature of the specified phase without manual intervention. Okay, that means it is not a manual working. Automatically, when the if 4% is in the car means the automatically AC will be varying, air conditioner rate will be varying. The primary purpose of the automatic climate control is to manage the temperature of the given area based on setting by user of the system. The climate control capability can be found in many cars, boats, and aeroplanes. So prior to the climate control, a heating and cooling system could only be engaged by manually selecting one of the mechanisms. While a user could select a general temperature by a sliding warmer or cooler control, the system would not be automatically switched from air conditioning to heating without manual intervention. The creation of the automatic climate control system has advanced the overall comfort for automobiles, as users are not forced to continuously move the controls to adjust the temperature of the compartment. So this is the overview of the system, that is air conditioned system, that is inside air sensor, position the indicator and the compressor, recirculation, fan, temperature, air distribution, front of wheel condenser, radiator, engine, heat core, evaporator. So like that we have different conditions. These all the conditions will be controlled by the microcomputer. Okay, that microcomputer will also display the rate of the heat uh, position, where heat position like that will be defined. So this is the model for compressing unit. That means the receiver and dryer unit condenser, it will send the air to the cooling unit. It will cool the data and remove the air, heated air from the car. It will again given to the compressor. Then again cooled. They again given to the AC. Then again remove the heat from the car. So these are the continuous process done in the climate control in the. The mechanism of automated climate control require sensor to be placed into the compartment of the area to be managed. So these sensors read the current temperature of the area. So these readings are then matched to the setting defined by the occupant through the computer system within the vehicle. So and the heating and cooling are adjusted appropriately. An automatic climate system also includes a computer that regulates the entire air system within the compartment. This computer system regulates the fan speed, engagement of air conditioning compressor, and overall air temperature to be dispersed into the compartment. Typically, these processes are integrated into the overall computer system within modern automobiles. Advances. Advances in automatic climate control in automobile have evolved into the zoned climate control. In this type of implementation, each occupant can adjust the temperature of the seating area in which she are seated. Each area within the defined zones has a separate climate control sensor that reads the current temperature of the specified area. This is the advantage of climate control, that is increasing comfort of occupants by allowing the perfect in car temperature to be selected and maintained. So products from pollution, smog, and traffic fumes constantly filters airborne pollutants like pollen and dust from the entering the car. Enjoy warmth without stuffing in winter. So clean, fresh air even in the heaviest traffic. Remain cool, calm, and collected regardless of the external temperature of the humidity. So these are the conclusion of the climate control system. This type of system are not limited to automobiles. So automobile climate control system can also be found in many boats and aeroplanes. So while the implementation of unique for each type, the overall concept is the same. Okay. So these are the concept of climate control in the vehicles or car, aeroplane, like that, any other automobile vehicles. Okay. So next class, thank you. Next class we will see.